You know this is going straight to YouTube. No tap. This is no tap.
Are y'all ready? I'm gonna shake the fuck out
this. This is no tap coon dog right here.
No tap coon dog.
Get ready. There it is.
Step on it. Grab it. Watch it. Bite the shit out. Did he get you?
Nope.
I don't know how.
Good boy.
Get ready. Here comes another one. It's about to go. There it is.
Grab it. Grab it. Come on, where mama at?
One more to go, kid. I'm worn out.
One more time.
That's cool.
One more time.
Climb up there and throw his ass down.
Somebody carry the thing down and yelling. We gotta go in the boat with
Come on, Dad.
Hey.
Well, if it falls on your head,
Okay.
Chitty, it's gonna be interesting.
It's okay. Oh my God, dude. Chitty gonna go up there and grab you.
Grab him by his tail, jerk it out.
Oh yeah.
You got a limb right above your left foot, Kenny.
Your sister love that shit, dude. Boy, if that sucker comes down on your head. Oh my God.
He's looking at you like,
And him is gonna come down.
You gonna hear Kenny?
hey, you can shake him now.
Shake it.
Shake it. Shake it.
He said, I might he's shaking. He's scared he might shake himself out of the tree.
Shake him.
Shut up.
Hey, Jenny, grab that vine right there. Take the YouTube.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Grab him.
All right, get them all three together. Put a thumbnail.
Mama probably gonna keep one for
Come right here with all the rest of them. That's gonna be my thumbnail.
See, I got them out the tree.
I don't know, how did you?
Buddy, you burning up right now, huh?
Coon dog! Coon dog! Get his